বাবু দেখলেন কাউকে? কেউ বেঁচে নেই। ওই যে বই হাতে লোকটা নড়ছে, দেখলাম।
I kept hearing Ghosh's voice in my head.
Pack a pillow and blanket. See the world. You will never regret it.
That is how I came to America, and you got your name. Come. Maxine will be waiting for you. Baba, is that what you think of when you think of me? Do I remind you of that night? Not at all. You remind me of everything that followed. Every day since then has been a gift, Gobol.